Hello again guys, in this quick video, let us discuss how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. First, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once connected, just simply tap your TikTok application to open it. And from here, you will see a profile icon located at the bottom part. Just tap this icon. And next, what you need to do is just tap the three horizontal lines located here at the upper right portion. And choose Settings and Privacy. And just scroll down and go to Report a Problem. Just tap this. And then after that, you will see on your screen here the different topics. Just scroll, then go to live, and from here you will see a hosting live topics. Just tap this hosting live and tap how to start a live. And then here on your screen you will see how to start a live instruction there. Just scroll down. Then we need to choose here and the question below if your problem is resolved. Just tap this no option, and after that you need to tap this need more help option. And then from here you will put your feedback here about your problem. Just type here your reason or problem about, or your feedback about your problem. Example, I am unable to go live. Kindly enable my live option. My fans would love to see me live. Thanks. Okay, that's it guys. After that, tap this submit button. Okay, after submitting your feedback, you just need to wait for 1 to 2 days just to analyze your problem about going live. Then after that, you will be able to use the go live feature on your TikTok account. Okay, that's it guys on how to go live without 1,000 followers. I hope this video helps you a lot, and keep following for more video tips.